Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Valley Bank account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Valley Bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address valley.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of Valley. So let's wait for it. And you can see guys, we are on the home page of Valley Bank. Now in order to log into your account, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a sign in button over here where my mouse is hovering. Click on the sign in button over here, and this kind of interface will appear. Now in order to log into your Valley Bank account, first choose your bank account type. Either it's personal banking, credit cards, health savings, or your pay your loan from a non-Valley Bank account. And with that being said guys, mine is a personal online banking. After choosing your correct bank account type, enter your username of your account over here and your password over here, whichever may it be you had registered on Valley Bank at the time of creating your account. But if you have forgotten your password guys, you can always reset it from over here where it says forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your bank account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your username and your password, click on the sign in button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Valley Bank account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your Valley Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.